Good morning. Welcome to MIDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video to your classmates. Today I am going to solve the next question of this lesson, but first let me solve the question that I gave you for practice. Okay? The first question of practice exercise: find the 10th term of AP 2, 7, 12. Now solution 1. Given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, because A10 is equal to A plus 9D, therefore A10 is equal to 2 plus 9 into 5 is equal to 2 plus 45 is equal to 47. Answer. The second question: check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 7, 23. Now solution 2. A2 minus A1 is equal to second term minus first term equal to 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. A3 minus A2 is equal to 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. A4 minus A3 is equal to 23 minus 17 is equal to 6. Now the common difference is same, so list of number common difference is same, so the list of numbers are in APs. Therefore A is equal to 5, D is equal to 6. Let 301 let nth term of this AP is 301. So AN is equal to 301 implies A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 301 implies 5 plus N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 301 implies N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 301 minus 5 plus N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 296. Now 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16 implies N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 100. 301 296 implies N minus 1 is equal to 148 by 3 implies N is equal to 148 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 go to the other side n is equal to LCM 3, 148 plus 3 implies n is equal to 100, 40, 50, 51, 151 by 3. Now 151 is not divisible by 3, so we can say here n is not a integer, it is a fraction, so this is not possible. 301 is not possible of AP, no any term of AP. Now we write, because n is not an integer, therefore 301 is not a term of this APH. Answer. Now the next question of exercise 5.2. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Solution 7. Given the 11th term A11 is equal to 38 and A16 is equal to 73. Now because A11 is equal to 38, therefore A plus 10D is equal to 38, implies A is equal to 38 minus 10D, equation 1. Again A16 is equal to 73 implies A plus 15D is equal to 73, implies the value of A 38 minus 10D, putting the value of A from equation 1 plus 15D, 38 minus 10D plus 15D is equal to 73. Now you write 2 from equation 1, implies 5D is equal to 73 minus 38, implies 5D is equal to 13 minus 8, 5, 6 minus 3, 3, 5, 7 are 35, therefore D is equal to 7. Now from equation 1, A is equal to 38 minus 10D is equal to 38 minus, we are putting the value of D, 10 into 7 is equal to 38 minus 70 is equal to 30 minus 32. Therefore you have to find the 31st term. It means that A31 is equal to A plus 30D is equal to A is equal to minus 32 plus 30 into D is equal to 7 minus 32 plus 3 7 21 210 is equal to 178. Answer. Now you have to also write here hence 31th term is 178. Answer. The next question. So next question, question number 8. Question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Now, given n is equal to 50, A3 is equal to 12 and N is equal to 106. Now, because A3 is equal to 12, therefore A plus 2D is equal to 12, implies A is equal to 12 minus 2D, equation 1. Now, again, L is equal to 106 and N is equal to 50, so A plus 50 minus 1 into D is equal to 160, because A is equal to N is equal to 50 and L is equal to the last 8 means that L, it means that A50 is 106. So we write here on the place of N 50. Now I am putting the value of A from equation 1. Implies 12 minus 2D is equal to 49 plus 49D is equal to 106 from equation 1. Implies 49 minus 2, 47D is equal to 106 minus 12. Implies 47D is equal to 6 minus 2, 4, 10 minus 1, 94. 47 to a 94. Therefore, D is equal to 2. Now, we have to find the 29th term. So, first we putting the value of D in equation 1. From equation 1, A is equal to 12 minus 2D is equal to 12 minus 2 into 2, putting the value of D. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now, therefore, A29 is equal to A plus 28D is equal to A is equal to 8 plus 28 into D is equal to 2. 8 plus 8 2 are 16. 2 are 4 and 5 is equal to 464. Therefore, twenty-ninth term is 64 answer. Now next question, solution of question number 9. The next question, question number 9. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? Now, given A3 is equal to 4 and A9 is equal to minus 8. Now, because A3 is equal to 4, therefore A plus 2D is equal to 4, implies A is equal to 4 minus 2D, equation 1. Again, A9 is equal to minus 8, implies A plus 8D is equal to minus 8, implies 4 minus 2D from equation 1, the value of A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. from equation 1. Minus 8 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 8 is equal to 60 is equal to minus 8 minus 4, implies 60 is equal to minus 12, 6 2 are 12, therefore d is equal to minus 2. Now putting the value of d from in equation 1, from 1 a is equal to 4 minus 2d is equal to 4 minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4 minus plus 4 is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. Now let the nth term of AP is 0. So an is equal to 0, implies a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0, implies a is equal to 8 plus n minus 1, d is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0, implies n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to plus 8, go to the other side, minus 8, 2 4 8, minus minus cancel, implies n minus 1 is equal to 4, implies n is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Hence fifth term of this AP is 0. Answer. Now the next question, solution of 10. The question number 10 is the 11th term of AP exceed its 10 terms by 7. Find the common difference. Given the 17th term of AP, it means A17 is equal to A10 plus 7, implies A plus 16d is equal to A plus 10d is equal to plus 7. A cancel, implies 16d minus 10d is equal to 7, implies 60 is equal to 7. 9d. Then here 9d, so 7d, 7 7 one time cancel, 7 1 are 7, therefore d is equal to 1. Hence common difference is 1. Answer. Now the next question, question number 11. Which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39, comma dot dot will be 132 more than its 54th term? Now solution 11. Given A is equal to 3, D is equal to second term minus first term, 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Now we have to find the term. Now let nth term of AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. Therefore, n is equal to A54 plus 132 implies A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 53D plus 132. A cancel implies n minus 1 into D is equal to 12 is equal to 53 into 12 plus 132 implies m minus 1 into 12. Now 12 is cancel common, 12 is common, then we get 53 plus 12 on 12 11. 12 cancel implies n minus 1 is equal to 64 implies n is equal to 64 plus 1, therefore n is equal to 65. Hence 65th term was 132 more than 54th term. Now the next question, question number 12. Two APs has the same common difference. The common difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th terms? Solution 12. Let the first term of two APs be A1 and A2 respectively. And the common difference of these APs be D. For the first AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, A100 is equal to A1 plus 100 minus 1 into D is equal to A1 plus 99D. Now and A1000 is equal to A1 plus 1000 minus 1 into D is equal to A1 plus 999D. Now for second APs, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore a100 is equal to a2 plus 100 minus 1 into d is equal to a2 plus 99 d. And a1000 is equal to a2 plus 1000 minus 1 into d is equal to a2 plus 999 d. Given that difference between 100th 100 term of 2 APs is equal to 100. Therefore A1 plus 99D minus A2 plus 99D is equal to 100. Implies A1 plus 99D minus A2 minus 99D is equal to 100. 99D cancel. Implies A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. From now equation 1. Again difference between 1000 term of 2 APs A1 plus 999D minus A2 plus 999D is equal to A1 plus 999D minus A2 minus 999D. 999 cancel. A1 minus A2 is equal to 100 from equation 1. Hence the difference between 1000 terms of the 2 APs will be. Now I am giving you some questions for practice. Okay, there are 4 questions for your practice. The first, which term of AP 21, 18, 15 ... is minus 18? Also, is any term 0? Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the 7th term is 9. Third question, how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Question number 4, find the 11th terms from the last term. 11th term from the last term of AP 10, minus 62. That's all. Thank you.